Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna play Party Animals. Alright guys.
Alright, yeah, this is the first video on the channel. Dappy Loose might change the name, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright, we're just picking up small gummies, and we're not interacting at all.
No, I mean it's gonna be really annoying when it's just me and you. Cause like there's no battles.
But we're gonna be against each other. I'm sorry, I don't have any friends. Oh. Man, sometimes I can get this job. I'm definitely wasting time. Hey!
Just trying to pick up the gummy thing. Why am I holding it like
back here, monkey.
Hey yo!
You're dragging me along the ground.
Oh bro! Look on my side.
That's right.
Ow! Dude!
Just knocking yourself out. Let go of me. I can't even dude, that's crazy.
No, no, no. No, no, bro. No. No.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh. Oh. Ow! My God. Dude.
No, it's stuck! Why
Yes.
is it stuck?
It's my gummy.
Go pull the lever, I dare you.
Me and... Okay.
Other way! Thank you!
No, wait.
Why did you not think of that? Did you not think I wasn't holding it?
I'm gonna attack you with these gumdrops.
No, you can't take the gumdrop.
I swear to God.
No! You're not taking this out of here. I'm still holding
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah,
really?
I'm still holding it.
Let go!
I'm literally winning.
No!
I'm literally winning. I can't stop winning. Yo, go pull it. Just get back up. Okay, bro.
I can get out of here. Ow! Oh my God. No! No!
Pull it! Why would I pull it? What is that? I can't. What? You weren't even touching me on my screen.
Dude.
Go away from the gummy. Bro! I can't see anything. Dude.
Yes!
I'm still winning even if we run out of time.
Yes! Come on!
Nope. Then go ahead and get this stuck. Thanks. I'm just blocking your path.
No!
Just lock it around the corner. It's stretching.
No! No! No!
Bro
no,
made a
no, no.
mistake.
I'm gonna get...
Yo,
Yes!
go pull the lever real quick. Go pull the lever real quick. Go pull the lever real quick. I wasn't! She dared kill me.
Yes, yes, yes. That's what you get for choosing a
Ew,
European.
I hit you dead in the head! No. Give me this back! I'm gonna run out. You're gonna run out of stamina before me. I'm gonna get knocked out even though I'm literally hitting you.
Here! No!
Let me go ahead and take this again. Get tricked! No!
No! It's my dill pickle
It's a gummy bear!
gummy bear.
Dill
It's my
pickle
dill
flavor,
pickle
that's gonna be...
flavor. You're fine. Fine, I'll help you.
Alright. Well, that's easy. I win. You literally can't get this last one in 15 seconds.
Let's play an actual game mode. This isn't fair.
Seems to be randomized. Just standing here. Whoa!
Bro!
1v1v1v1v1v1v1.
What?
It's yeah. Everyone's alone. It's a free for all.
Oh
It's not
God,
teams.
this is gonna be chaos. It's 8 players.
Yep.
In Call of Duty, there's 12.
And in Fortnite, there's 100. So what's your point?
Got a good point there. Well, isn't that like 60?
No, it's 100.
Aw,
You're not even on screen.
yes I am.
Which character are you?
The unicorn.
Oh, you're way off to the side. Wait, what? You have the boxing gloves?
What? No.
Oh, there's a unicorn with boxing gloves. You're not on screen.
Oh, we should team up together.
No, that defeats the whole purpose of a free-for-all. It's literally what can get you banned on Fortnite is for teaming.
Dude, this
I'm literally
dog.
The stupid lizard is trying. Bro, the lizard just killed me!
Ah!
You could just get punched to death. I was dead, and I was the only one.
Ow!
Oh my god, I almost took off.
No! What's wrong?
Oh my god!
Ow! Dude,
I'm
don't.
pretty strong. I just literally launched a guy off the map.
Wait. Come on, I'm helping you.
Womp womp! How did I miss all of them?
Dude, no!
We're on different teams. My god.
Oh, well, tried running for my life. Fell down.
Oh, why did he do that? Why did he do that?
Bomb.
Oh my god. I'm jumping off.
What does this do? Oh! Ow.
Where am I going? I am climbing up the...
God, I look like a drunk unicorn right now.
You are. I tried to climb up the fan blades and...
No! Dude! No!
I followed you.
Dude, they don't even go for protection. They just somehow survive. They always kill me.
Ah! I jumped off. Oh my god. I tried to climb back up. Just jump off. I do think it's possible to climb back up though. 'Cause I got
No.
really close and I lost you,
No! You monster! get these poor pieces of crap?
You're just creating a conga line.
Ow! Dude!
Just like
The cat! The stupid
Yo, that
cat!
single unicorn got 3 wins!
Bro! There was a cat that just kept hanging
Oh
on
my
to me.
god. This is chaotic.
You know what? That kind of hurt, bro.
That's single cat. You know what? That might be the thumbnail. That might be the thumbnail for how chaotic this game is.
For real.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and change the settings real quick. We're gonna
No!
do-
Wait. Get rid of the... Get rid of 2, 3, and 5. No!
We're gonna do it like this. It will do. Alright. I think us combined equal a hard and a fun. I think this is pretty equal teams.
Put the alligator to easy.
No.
Alright, well,
Oh wait, I can see you now.
Yeah, same.
Oh, it's because we're on a team. That's why.
I am a cat. Bro. Ah!
Oh, I jumped over him. Bro, this goose. That's crazy. I'm looking at my settings. I'm missing something.
Are you dead?
No, I'm just missing something. I think I'm getting thrown around. What is happening?
Oh crap. Oh crap.
Why did he barrel roll? What was that? That was actually crazy. There's a bomb. Be careful. It's rolling towards you. That's crazy. Oh my god, you actually got like everyone off. That includes your teammates, though. But oh, they all climb back up. Oh man, bro, you didn't even kill any of their team. You literally just killed only our team. That's actually wild.
Sorry.
You just
I had to
killed
turn down
our
my
team.
Ah, oh crap. Oh crap. Oh.
I just saw you lose the throw. I swear on my screen it literally said you and
crap.
No! Please! Let's go! I'm back in! I'm playing Conga Line with this. I'm holding on for dear life. It's really laggy right now. Oh my god, what is happening? What if I just now realized that there's motion blur? I hate motion. Oh my, okay, I have to choose myself. Why is this so laggy? Man, my frames really vary. It goes from like 50 to 70. It's crazy. Hey. I'll get this guy down here. I jumped. Why is shift and headbutt?
Bro, why are they chasing
I
me?
always hold down shift and I tried to headbutt a guy and I just rolled off. You do shift and middle click and you just roll instead of doing headbutt.
Dude. Dude! Providing protection for this guy and he keeps not even. Ow! Bro! This is the 3rd time! Bozo.
Why are you just standing there like that? Except staring at the camera.
Yes! Did we win? Yes! Spinach!
Hey. Bro, I knocked myself out! I didn't even know you could do that! Don't ever hold on to someone and then headbutt. It, like, behind your back. If you hold them behind your back, then headbutt, you just knock yourself out.
Ooh!
Oh my god, they're gonna toss.
No!
Here, take that. Oh, I threw it on their teammate. No! No!
Woo!
You said that.
We win. Oh,
We
man.
both died. Or all or nothing. All for nothing.
Bro!
I wanted that
No!
potion. I wanted that potion. Give me it. Where's the potion? You have to climb up the edges. You have to come over here. Come around the side. Okay, never mind. Or don't listen to me. Whatever. Ah!
Can you?
It might be safer down here. No.
Ow!
Did I hold on to you?
No.
Why am I always the first one dead? Like, that's a banana peel.
No!
Here, you want a banana peel? I tripped him! I tripped 2 of them! 3! My banana! No, my banana peel! Oh, what is that? Okay. Banana peel's flying. Oh yeah, that beeping means
Dude.
that thing's gonna break.
Ah!
Oh my god, why is it
Bro.
like 6 people in one spot? Alright, this will be our last game. And then ending the video because I'm not editing. It's already 30 minutes. That can take so long to edit.
Real.
Especially because longer form videos aren't the best, so maybe I can try to shorten it to shorts. Alright guys, we're back.
No!
I'm thirsty.
Ow!
I'm really thirsty.
Oh my god! No! No!
Can I yoink this? Aw, it fell.
Ooh! No! Oh my god! That was my own teammate!
Bro, how am I missing everybody? That's crazy. I'm actually gonna
No! What?
I'll save you!
When did I have slippery eyes? What is that?
He actually lifted you up! Wait, I forgot
When
teams
was-
randomized. Oh, we're on opposite teams. Why did I save you? I thought we're on the same team. Oh, save me! I'm sorry! I didn't mean it!
Ow! My god! Is that the
Oh, that means I've been aiming for my own teammates. Oh, bro, my teammate!
It's
Wait,
so
wait,
slippery.
I think you can see how long you're knocked
Womp
out from
womp.
your name.
No! Ow! I was helping you! My god!
Yeah, that's what my teammate did.
What? I knocked myself out!
No, you didn't. I knocked you out.
No.
Not on my screen. I literally just punched you. I'm being bullied.
Skill issue.
Ah! Oh, whose sunglasses fell?
Ow!
Sunglasses.
Dude!
I'll save you! Wait! Bro, Billy! Your teammate's pulling me down! Oh my god. He just killed himself! No! Not again! No, I'm dead this time. Bro, I fell just standing straight up.
My teammates would kill me!
Bro's hitting his own teammates. Why are my teammates mad at me? As Bro's literally killing his teammates.
Ow! My god!
Why am I swimming down?
Grab this.
Just jumped back in!
Your teammate sucks.
But bro, I didn't even try to go after you. Now I... Dude, why am I getting ganged up on? Why do they keep following me? Bro!
Dude, I want the spinach. No. Ow! I just ate spinach. Leave me alone.
Yeah, well, spinach doesn't help your health.
Woo!
Bro!
It's so laggy.
Yeah, that's why I turned on VSync. No! God, I swear the ice is getting slippery.
Wait a minute. Let's stay on this. Truce.
No.
Please, let's stay here.
No! Get down!
No! It hurts.
Get out! Get out! This actually might be a goated spot. Not gonna lie. It is slowly breaking apart though, and by slowly I mean really, really fast. Global warming is crazy. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I might be. I'm out of here.
Bro, I aimed it at someone.
I tried to aim at someone and I got flung. Ow! It was big climbing animation. My hand is sticking out. What is that?
We're better. Okay, just spin it.
I missed, or did I?
Oh!
Why am I holding this behind my back? Dude, the potion did nothing.
Ow.
Oh, I figured it out.
Let go of me.
How do you pick up weapons? How do you pick them up? Bro, it sunk me! It actually sunk! I dodged it. That's crazy. I knocked out my own teammate and about to kill myself. No. Brother. No!
No.
Yes!
Yes!
Both messed up.
Ow!
Wait, I'm sitting up. Oh, hey. Hey, are we creating snow angels? Put you in air jail. That's crazy.
Ha!
Hey, calm down. I'm just holding your head. Holding your head in your arms so you couldn't do anything. Dude, why am I being bullied? Why am I actually being bullied? Wasn't even my screen, wasn't
Ooh, plunger. No! You! Bro, I'm hitting my own.
Bro, I'm just there in the background. That's crazy. Bro, what are my frames? Why are you holding that like that? Yeah, I'm putting a fish in the ocean.
No! Why'd you hit me with a fish?
I didn't even hit you. It landed in the water.
Yes, it did!
It landed in the water. I have the recording. I agree. Banana.
Yes! Woo! I'm better.
Imagine being the one person who died. I love how we both heard a thud, but neither of us are dead. Like, we both thought we were out cold, but we just like... Bro, why do your teammates have an obsession with me?
Because we're players. They know when we're players.
Yeah, but I feel like no one's going after you. Even my own teammates are
You're
after me.
going after me, clearly.
Yeah, because I hate you. And that's why I created a channel. I'm holding you under the water. That's actually...
No!
That's crazy! I'm drowning you!
You're literally cheating.
How did you not die?
Like I said, you were literally
Because
cheating.
that's the one who's flying.
Dude. No! How did that not hit you?
How did you miss that bad? And how did you not die?
Dude, what? I jumped. Dude, this is so unfair.
Says the one
ice
who's
is
still
literally a
alive.
barrier.
Says the one who's still alive. Cheers.
Cheers, yeah, cheers.
I'm holding the ground.
Cheers, hang on. No!
I don't want you to have that racket. I don't trust you. I don't trust you with the racket. Don't kill me. I just knocked the racket out of your hands. I didn't trust you.
Whoa, crap.
Uh-oh.
Oh, crap.
Oh, Raggy. We're gonna get sued for that. I meant like a literal, like, rag. Like a washcloth. Bruh! Wasn't even looking at the game. Why is my character freaking out?
No!
That's actually crazy. I'm gonna die.
Yes.
I hope you win so this can be over quicker.
Ow! 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 My intestines or something.
Yo, you should grab that bomb. No! Oh!
No!
Knocked you off!
Let me up,
Dude,
let me
my
up,
bomb
let me up.
knocked you off the platform.
Dude! They're drowning!
They're drowning. They're drowning. This is 42 minutes.
Yes!
Yes, your team won. Alright, so I can stop recording. Fish. The last second fish. Actually, wait. You know that I thought about the randomization? Oh! Oh, it's because you got put with the 3 hard ones. You got stuck with the hard AI, and I was with the normal. You're flying mid-punch.
Alright, bye you guys.
Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao. Okay, bye.
Okay.